Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading. Before I move to Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, and I also show you how Nifty had performed on Friday, that is 11th of December, I have an announcement on free stock market training program. I have just uploaded a video, you can go and check it out, and also the syllabus has been shared for that. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Well, on Thursday we had drawn some zones here. You can see these were the zones what we had drawn, and you can see on Thursday Nifty has performed perfectly. We had a level here, we had expected to break on the upside, and then probably we could have taken a long trade. You can see we had a long opportunity here, and once there was a closing below this, probably this, you can see it was something like a double top, which I will be explaining you in the training sessions. Close below this, we had a beautiful fall on the downside. You can see here we had a beautiful fall on the downside, and from this S2, this was also a support zone. You can see the prices had bounced back till resistance zone, right? So talking about Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty, you can see here I had updated the levels here. I had said any close above this level, we can see some good rise till this resistance zone, and you can see prices closed above this zone, and we had a good rally up till almost around 850 levels. You can see here it was above 3850, high it was made was 3865. From there this resistance zone has again come into the picture, and you can see the prices coming down, and again from this level, the support zone, you can see there was a rise again up till this level, and from this resistance zone the prices had fallen back to the support zone here. Well, now talking for tomorrow, let's see how we can take the trades for tomorrow. Let me delete all these drawings first. And if required, we'll draw some new zones as well. Let me remove all these drawings. First, let's check out how the weekly chart has performed, and then let's go to daily chart. I usually do multi time frame analysis before I decide what to trade and how to trade. Okay, so I have deleted all these drawings here. Now let's check out how weekly chart looks. Well, on weekly chart we have had a good bullish candle, you can see here. Let's see how daily candle looks. Okay, now talking about daily candle, you can see daily candle, it was a spinning top. This was a beautiful spinning top. Guys, understand the spinning top low and high is going to be one important level, which I will be marking here. most of the time whenever we have a spinning top, we can see a reversal from there. In case it doesn't reverse and if it breaks this high, there are good chances the prices will move on the upside. So this is the spinning top high and low what I have marked here. Now let me go to 2 hour chart and see what it is formed. Okay, this is a 2 hour chart, and in 2 hour chart you can see our support and resistance zone is still intact. I'll just extend this zone. On this 2 hour chart you can see the support and resistance zones are intact. Okay, now let's go ahead and see 15-minute chart as well. Okay, this is how the 15-minute chart look. And let me go to 5-minute chart now. So let me explain you tomorrow's trade plan on Bank Nifty. As I have said you before, whenever price closes near a zone, it will be very easy for us to take trade. So as I said you before, this will remain as the resistance zone. This will be resistance zone. This is R1 and this is going to be R2 for tomorrow. This is going to be my support zone S1, and if required I'll also see for S2, that is support zone 2. Let me just zoom out and see what best support zone I have. Yes guys, I have a support zone here now. This is a new support zone for me what I'm going to create. This is the S2. These are the levels what I'll be probably focusing for tomorrow, and this is my S3. Okay, now what is the trade plan for tomorrow? Let me explain you that. For tomorrow, in case this price breaks R1, in case price closes above this R1, we can expect prices to move to R2. That is almost of 150 to 200 points on the upside. And in case price reverses from here, then we can expect S1. Here you will have to focus on this Friday's high and this is Friday's low. This will be a very important level as it had formed a spinning top. In case this breaks, we can see some more upward momentum, and in case this S1 breaks, we can expect prices to come till Friday's candle low, and in case that breaks, we can expect it to move to almost around 3200, 270s, yeah, 30,250 and 30,000. If this low breaks, it will be around 30,250 and around 30,250. Yeah, it's around 30,250 itself. In case the Friday low breaks, we can see 30,250, and below that we can see almost around 30,190. And in case price reverses from any of these levels, you can take a reversal trade on the upside. In case it reverses from this resistance level, we can see prices coming back to, from R2 it can come to R1. So this is the simple plan, guys, for Bank Nifty trading. Remember one thing, either we wait for the prices to close above this zone, any of this zone, to take the trade, to take long trades, or in case it reverses from there, wait for a good bearish candle to form and then you can probably take a short trade. Right, now let's go to Nifty and let's analyze Nifty here for tomorrow. Let me remove all these drawings first. And extend this R2. If required, we'll change the zone, or else we'll maintain the same. For now, I'm maintaining the same zones. This resistance zone and support zone I'm talking about. Let me remove these drawings first. This I'll extend is as R3. I'm sorry, it's support zone 3, S3. Okay, now let's go ahead and check out the weekly chart first. Let's see what it looks like in weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly candle and it's beautiful bullish candle. You can see here. This is a beautiful bullish candle. Now you can also mark weekly high and low as a strong support and resistance for the coming week. Let me go to daily chart. Okay, so in daily chart, guys, let's go and check out what is the opening and closing price. You can check out here the opening and closing price. So on 11th December, opening was 13512.30 and closing was 13513.85. Yes, I can almost call it as a long leg doji. It looks like a long leg doji. Let me go to 2 hour chart and see what it has formed. Okay, let's also go to 15 minutes chart. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart. So guys, for tomorrow it is simple. In case price continues, price starts trading below this candle low, that is almost around 13503, or you can take it as 13500. Below 13500, expect prices to go to 13465, and if price bounces from here, you can take a reversal trade back to R1 from S1, that is support zone 1. In case price breaks this will be the zone which will be retested again. You can see this zone what we had drawn on Thursday, it was retested on Friday also around this level. Now what if it breaks this R1? If it breaks R1, the journey will continue towards R2. And we'll have one more support resistance zone on the top. Let me draw that as well, because this is going to be a strong point from where again we can see a reversal, that is R3. This is a R3. This is R3. If it breaks this R2, expect the prices to move till R3. In case it closes above this candle high, that was Friday candle high, that is 13,579.35, we can expect some more momentum on the upside. And in case it reverses, as I said you before, if it breaks the zone, continue the trade on the same side whatever you are trading. In case it reverses, you can just close the trade and wait for a proper opportunity to reverse your trades. Let me show you 5-minute chart as well. I usually use very simple plans. I don't complicate my trading system. I try to stick it very to simple plans. Like I also use, if required, some indicators, or else I just go with the price. Guys, as I said you before, Nifty, try to trail every 15 to 20 points once you are in profit, so that you don't miss out whatever you have earned, and try to trade with this tight stop loss. Stop loss is very important in your trading system. And Bank Nifty, as I said you can trail every 50 points or 100 points depending on your risk appetite, and most probably we can expect Nifty and Bank Nifty to remain in the range whatever it has formed on Friday. Both in Bank Nifty and Nifty, as I said you before, Nifty, it has formed something like a long leg doji. You can mark the high and low of Friday's candle. That will be a very important level from where the prices can reverse. In case that breaks, it will continue the journey on the same side, whichever side it is trading. And Bank Nifty, as I said you, it is formed something like a spinning top. So spinning top also shows a reversal signal. So let's see how Nifty and Bank Nifty performs for tomorrow. And probably tomorrow again I'll come up with the results, how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed based on the levels what we have drawn. In case you want to see the levels what I have drawn here, you can just see the price. You can see it on a pink color. You can just mark this level on your trading system, and if you have a strategy, you can just apply these zones on your strategy, and you can see how well it works. And guys, in case you have liked this video, please give a like, and make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.